All right, today I have silica liquid concentrate that I'm going to be adding to my glass of water. This is made by a company called Iodon. This is called Iconic Minerals Silica. It's supposed to be a concentrated formula of their silica that they have to offer. It says right here that it is a mineral dietary supplement. Silica is an essential mineral involved in collagen formation and calcium management. Now I'm going to add this. I have a glass of water, and I'm going to be taking this according to the instructions that are on the side. It says the suggested use is 30 drops or 2 droppers squeeze per day in water. Children under 5, 15 drops, supposedly. This is what they say. It says store at room temperature, tightly close, keep out of reach of children, and do not freeze. All right, so if you look on the side, it says silica, which is as silicon dioxide, 375 milligrams per dropper, or 30 drops, which is 1 dropper, supposedly, approximately. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I don't know, it doesn't say to shake or anything like that, so maybe it doesn't need to be shaken or stirred, James Bond. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out. And I'm going to fill up the dropper. Fill the dropper. I'm going to squeeze it. All right, so it's squeezed it, squozed, and I'm going to do that's 1, and then here's the second one as their suggested use. So I have 2 droplets. See if it smells like anything. Doesn't, has a faint smell. Nothing too particular. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to go ahead, make sure it's tightly put back on. And then if you look at it, it makes the water slightly cloudy, but not too cloudy. And I'm going to go ahead and try this out to see what it tastes like, if it has any taste whatsoever. So this is 30 droplets or 2 dropper squeezes. It's approximately 30 drops. I'm going to try it out. It doesn't taste like anything. It just tastes like the regular glass of water when I added it to it. But this is the silica liquid concentrate by Iodon. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.